welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. Most of us dream of a healthy retired life filled with peace and happiness. But if the statistics are to be believed, this dream may be a far cry from reality. Although there has been an increase in the average life expectancy of Indians by 10 years since 1990, around 5% of our elderly population don't have the best quality of life. In a recent study published in the journal BMC Geriatrics, researchers tried to explain how chronic illnesses affect the daily lives of those above the age of 60. The researchers used data from the second round of the Indian Human Development Survey. This survey, conducted in 2011 and 2012, had collected data on 15 types of chronic illnesses and disabilities in 7 types of daily living activities from around 57,000 individuals across the nation. They defined disability as the difficulty or inability to perform activities of daily living, like walking, going to the toilet, and dressing by persons aged 60 and above. The researchers examined the role of 3 chronic age-related illnesses, high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes, on the disability status of an individual and analyzed how each of these illnesses affects different types of disabilities. The study found that the burden of disability among those older than 60 years is much higher than earlier thought. They estimated that about 9 million senior men and 14 million senior women in India have at least one type of disability, which is way higher than the estimates generated in the Indian census. There was also a strong association between the existence of chronic illnesses and disabilities, with a higher risk of a disability if the individual was suffering from any of the 3 diseases. Diabetes was found to be the primary culprit leading to disabilities, followed by high blood pressure and heart problems. The researchers argue that the increasing number of individuals with chronic illnesses could be a barrier to achieving sustainable economic development in the country. If we do not plan and execute a focused public health policy to address these concerns in time, it could make matters worse, they say. We need a social environment for the early detection of morbidity, and we need to be able to postpone the onset of these diseases as the later stages of life approach. This can be done by focusing on a healthy lifestyle from the beginning of adulthood. To achieve this, all stakeholders, including the government, community health workers, and society, need to play its part. Thank you for listening. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubbay Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.